Hello guys, in this video I am talk about offshore accident lawyer. Working offshore can be exciting but it can also be dangerous. No matter how many safety precautions you take, accidents and injuries are common and sometimes fatal. Offshore workers can experience devastating injuries caused by dangerous conditions on offshore platform. Crew boats, jack up rigs and tankers, and in the ocean itself. Workers often are not sufficiently trained and work long hours with few breaks, making the risk of injury even higher. When a serious injury occurs in an offshore accident, it can be emotionally and financially devastating for the victim. It can also be hard to determine where to start when it comes to recovering damages from personal injury and wrongful death. A good place to start is to contact an offshore accident lawyer with experience in personal injury and maritime law, who can wade through the complex details of your case and help you get the best recovery possible. Common causes of offshore accidents: offshore and oil field accidents are often preventable. They can happen during basket transfers, line handling, vessel collisions, and diving operations. Many accidents are the same as you had encounter in many workplaces, such as equipment failure and slip and fall. But because working offshore high more high risk workplace environments, an injury may also result from a fire or explosion. Despite the big budgets associated with the oil industry, there is sometimes very little training and oversight on an oil rig. This type of employer negligence can result in an unsafe working environment that leads to underqualified employees performing dangerous tasks that they are not properly trained for, resulting in serious injury. Offshore accidents commonly lead to head trauma, spinal injuries, severed limbs, and other serious injuries. These injuries are often specially caused by oil rig industry. Workers on oil rigs use complex and cumbersome equipment to drill and perform other tasks. Many workers are not properly trained on how to use the needed equipment, which increases the risk of offshore accidents caused by human error. Deck accidents: the deck of an oil rig can be a chaotic environment where ferried workers must constantly be on high alert. Workers are surrounded by trip hazards, fall hazards, electrical hazards, crush hazards, and pinch point hazards. They can easily be struck by heavy equipment, slip on wet surfaces, or fall when the sudden lurch of the vessel causes them to lose their balance. Equipment failure: when equipment on an offshore vessel fails, it can result in an number of severe injuries. Workers can be burned or electrocuted, crushes, and even lose limbs. Operating machinery on an oil rig requires a high level of caution to prevent injuries for occurring. Fires and explosion: while not common, fires and explosion are some of the most deadly causes of offshore accident. They can happen as the result of improperly stored fuel, poorly maintained pipelines, or collisions between vessels. When there is a fire, workers may have to jump off the rig into the ocean, often from a height of at least 100 feet. Accident caused by fire and injury can lead to life altering injuries and even the loss of an entire vessel, other people on it. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye guys.